Welcome back to Vlogmas. I don't know what day this is, but y'all gonna watch me do my hair. And I'm gonna tell you in what ways I'm disciplined and are my non-negotiables that I am going to take into 2026 with me. And yeah. So we're gonna flexi rod while I chit chat. So in the ways that I am disciplined with myself is I walk my daughters to school. I put my son on the bus. So what that means is I actually wake up way early in the morning and I prepare my morning. I get up, I do my skincare, my oral care. I'm still wearing pajamas and sweatpants, so I'm still not a morning person. But I get up, I make them breakfast, and I prepare for the day. I get my son clothes out, I get him ready and prepare for his bus. Make sure I wake him up so he have at least 30 minutes of time for himself to watch a cartoon, eat his breakfast, get it together. Okay. While he's doing that, once he's on his bus, I come in, I wake up my girls, I do the same. Once they're dressed, we walk. We walk to school and I walk back. Why do you ask? Walking is what I am doing to move my body because I am not a what? Gym girly. So because I am not a gym girly, we will walk. It's not far. We walk at a nice, decent pace. We get there. We say our affirmations. And I let them know I love them and to have a great day. It is a non-negotiable. My skincare. I have a skin and a nighttime routine care that I do. I have a body care routine that I will do. It doesn't matter. It is my non-negotiable. It is my hour and a half of me doing some self-care for myself. Me getting back into doing my hair. And this is all while trying to get over grief. The reason that I am doing the wigs and making sure I put a wig on and stuff more now is because that is an area in which I failed myself. I had let it go and I didn't care. For my therapy, it's a non-negotiable. I don't care. I'm not going to fight with you. It is just like I said, a non-negotiable. My therapy is my therapy. That is my alone time. Now, my breakfast, my slow mornings, my early mornings, my every mornings. I downloaded an app that lets me know how much water I need to be intaking. And I do. I also eat breakfast now. I didn't eat breakfast before, but now I eat breakfast. I eat lunch and I eat dinner. I don't snack as much, but and a non-negotiable that is a part of my morning is my coffee. Why do you ask? Because it's a non-negotiable for me. I'm going to need that coffee. So when I first wake up, yeah, I'll drink me 2 bottles of water because I need my coffee. Okay? Okay. And I am a preset girly, as you may know. So, no, I have not been getting dressed in the morning, like I said, but I will be trying to start again. Another routine that I stopped because of grief and anxiety is going to get my nails done. And because I stopped for 2026, I will be finding me somebody somewhere to do my nails, even if it's a chop shop. because I miss my girls. Okay? Okay. And the reason that I am doing it is because it's self-care for me. So I can install my own wigs. I can do light makeup. But what I cannot do is not have something to where I look and feel good about me. And I can admit that these are in areas where I am disciplined and some areas where I'm getting back there. And if you like this video, thumbs it up, share it out, comment in which areas you're disciplined in that you're taking into 2026. Love you, bye. See you in the next one.